Hello friends, welcome to my channel Andrani Cooks. But today I am at Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage at Sri Lanka. Just the name suggests holds a unique deposition of animal care, mainly elephant. Its success and fame has traveled not just within the country but throughout the world to an extent where Pinnawala synonymous with the Sri Lankan elephant. Currently being a home to 103 elephants, the concept was actualized by the late Honorable Minister Kalugale in 1975. Pinnawala at the time was a very remote area with lush coconut plantation and most importantly an area where the availability of mahouts was not lacking. Also, the immense amount of water required by the elephants is supplemented with the availability of Maoya river running close by. Each animal is also given around 76 kg of green matter a day and around 2 kgs from a food bag containing rice bran and maize. That's what the people working there told me. The orphanage, which boasts to have the largest herd of captive elephants in the world, is very popular and visited daily by many Sri Lankan and foreign tourists. The main attraction is clearly to observe the elephants bathing, which is quite a spectacle. I'll show you all, friends. I tried to capture here. Now see, friends, enjoy it. A visitor to Sri Lanka who is passionate about wildlife of the island should not miss out on an opportunity to experience the Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage. Visitors will have the opportunity to witness the beauty of the rural parts of Sri Lanka and to grab the perfect souvenir to carry home. I have captured the elephant heading towards the bathing river. They are so disciplined. They are passing through a marketplace and they are really disciplined and they are not hurting anybody. They are playing within themselves. I have captured all of it. I will be showing you all, friends. Please do enjoy and let me know how you liked it. And before I forget, you forget, friends, those who are new to my channel, my humble request, please do subscribe my channel and share it with all of your friends. I think they will also enjoy it. Look at them, how disciplined way they are going. And since it is an orphanage, many of them are specially able creatures are residing here. And enjoy the entire video. And if you like it, smash the like button, share with your friends as much as possible. And as I told you all, those who are new to my channel, my humble request, please do subscribe, and those who are already with me, a lot of thanks to all of you. Pinnawala is situated in between Colombo and Kandy. So by roads are very nice. By road from Kandy, it took us 1.5 hours. But in between we stopped somewhere in Spice Gardens, and also that's why it was a bit lengthy for our trip. But anyway, it was nice. The details of the schedule I will be giving in my description box. You can check there. And it opens at 8:30 in the morning and closes at 6 o'clock. And the ticket cost is 160 USD per person. And the package cost of 2 person is 80 per person. And package cost for 3 person is 60 per person, and package cost for 4 person is USD 45 per person. But one thing you have to remember, the SAARC country travelers or visitors are getting a discount, which you have to check at the counter along with your passport. A private tour in an AC car or van with an English speaking chauffeur guide vehicle option, car up to 2 person, is around USD 15 per person. That keeps on changing. You have to check that at the counter when you book the car.